FangLab presents Aroma. Our product is a rose-like bioflavor. The chemical compound that gives our product its essence is called 2-phenylethanol. FangLabs is innovating in the obtainment of this product using genetic engineering. Arrow 10, Arrow 7, and PHA2 were cloned into an expression plasmid. This way, the Ehrlich Saccharomyces cerevisiae enzymatic pathway is reduced. As a result of this bioprocess, we obtain exclusively the product of interest. There are no bioproducts present, which reduces production costs and increases efficiency. Compared to chemical and physical processes of production or extraction, our production costs are lower, making this enterprise profitable. Our only competitors are the enterprises that obtain the aroma by physical processes, but those processes are not environment friendly. For this reason, they represent no major threat to our market share. Nowadays, bioflavors play a key role within many industrial fields, such as the food, cosmetics, biochemical, polymers, biofuels, and pharmaceutical sectors. It's important to mention that the world annual production of this aroma is around 7,000 tons. FangLabs offers an added value product. Because of its obtainment process, our bioflavor is considered to be an all-natural product. Nowadays, the market is rapidly shifting from chemically obtained products to natural or bioproducts because of the environmental consciousness of the consumers. FangLabs is committed to environmental preservation as well as quality bioproduct production. It's time to make a change. Do it with Aroma.